Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm up in Hampton in London and excited to show you around this lovely combination room and complete garden transformation, all with our trusted partner network. So everyone here's got a 5-star review from our client today. She's over the moon with everybody that's turned up, which is so lovely to hear. And yeah, let me show you around the building and what we've done. So we were unsure of this space. It was quite cluttered here, a lot going on. So TJM and Tom Manville, the team, came in early, about a month early, cleared the space and established the size of room that we could fit. This particular building is 5.4 metres wide room with a 1.8 store, 3.1 metres deep. Path up to it by TJM is our London stone polished concrete porcelain. Really lovely option. I really like that. Very natural looking. Has a cleanliness to it. Turf went down by Tom and some pruning as well. So TJM and the team there have been great. The building itself is obviously one of our standard kites, as I've said, in the anthracite. The blinds, I've shown this one shut, so this has got the grey surround, but actually it's the champagne colour blind, and that looks lovely. It really works for the inside. You'll see in a minute how this has been furnished. So let me show you the store first. London property, want to keep home and work and everything separate. So this store is 1.8 wide, 3.1 deep, and is a dry store. So what we've done there is lined, insulated and heated that, so you have an all year round dry, non-condensated space. Shed goes there just for the stuff of the garden, and the paving carried on around there. But this has now, they run their business and running everything out of that. So that's a really lovely idea. And by doing the base before, we were able to do the bigger room. The building itself is a multi-purpose family space. Two pre-teen twins, and the guys running their business wanted it as a multi-purpose space, and wow, have they done that. Furnished lovely. So inside here we've got this shelving that we've installed, a nice desk and seating area, and then a lovely flooring. So that is the antique grey Candine flooring fitted by Vera flooring. Michael there, thank you so much. Lovely big convex mirror there. The Mitsubishi climate control unit by Subcool, and then the TV section here with the sofa. So it's a really lovely space. So what you see we've done there is the windows and doors are slightly shunted to the left, allowing that blank space for this unit and the TV. So you kind of see what we've done there. We've got that blank space there. So yeah, look, really lovely. Lighting, heating, everything completed by us. The paving and groundworks as well, all app run and everything like that. So it's just one of those rooms that's just being used for so many things, and the client are over the moon with it, and we're very proud to be using our trusted partner network to give these clients a complete worry-free solution for everything to do with the building and beyond, and that's worked brilliantly. So there you go. I hope that's of interest to you. That's a London garden room here, 5.4 by 3.1 plus the store, in the anthracite, sat in this beautiful garden, and what a transformation it is. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and let me know your thoughts on this.